Okay, so we are going to do my toesies today. My little man got his pedicure, and so now we're gonna do mine because these guys need a little bit of help. Yeah, so this is the before, I guess you could say. Before. I got this a long time ago, and I've never actually used it. It is jasmine flower scented bath tea and then lotion. So I'm thinking that it would be absolutely perfect for a nice little pedicure. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So relax, jasmine floral scented bath tea, and you're supposed to add 1 scoop into a warm bath and stir to help dissolve. Do not eat. And they give you this cute little shovel. Oh my gosh. Okay. Opening it up. Oh, I for some reason thought that it was going to be like flowers. I'm doing this all left-handed. There we go. Oh, that will be nice. Okay, so I'm going to use this, a smidge of soap, and then this for, come here, and this for the lotion. Oh, this looks so cute. Look at that. And then this, and then we have, right, like that, and then we have a little baggie. Oh, look at that. I love it. All right, let's go get the water. Okay, so we're going to take the little scooper. Come here, little scooper. We only lost a few. Okay, so we got that. Oh, that just looks so cute. And I'm going to try to spruce it around while the water cools down a little bit. I'll have that, and then I'll grab some soap and the rest of the products, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, yeah, so I actually don't have polish on. It has been that long. All right, so we are now on step 2, which is soak. Step 1 is remove polish. Step 2, soak. Now, after soaking, what you want to do is for toenails, you want to have a straight cutter. You don't want it to be rounded. So, I'm just going to go right here. Don't make fun of my pinky toe. It's super tiny. And then you just give them a nice trim all the way across. Alright, so now they are all cut. We're going to move on to step 4 because step 3 was cut. Alright, so now we are going to file. Dry those off, and you just want to make sure that there's no like rough edges. Alright, I have finished filing them now. So now we're going to move on to the next step. I forget what step we're on, but the next step. So for the next step, you would apply a cuticle softener. I don't have that, but I have oil, and this is an instant cuticle. There we go. Instant cuticle remover. And I also have oil. And this is like really, so we're just going to do that just in case. What you do is you just put it on the cuticle. You let it sit, and then you just scrape it off. Here are the directions for that. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. There, that. For this. Just gonna let that sit. After letting it sit for about 15 seconds, you take a tool and you scrape your cuticles back. My cuticle is already being removed there, but you just push it back like that. This one, I gotta get the product, most of it, and then put that at the bottom there. Just scrape down. I like using cuticle remover because I skip the cutting step, because this just eats what's on your nail. So you don't really need to like cut. I'm terrified of cutting. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep scraping away at these and then I'll be back for the next step. I don't even know if you can see it, but now you just want to go and sort of wipe it all off. Yeah. Make sure. And then now it's time for the other foot. Now, after using the cuticle remover, just going to wash both of the feet. Make sure that it's all off. And for the most part, the cuticle work was done. So I might just want to push them back a little bit more. Not sure. And then this is also when you would wash it off. I would normally drain it and then do a scrub if I was going to do a scrub. Alright, and after washing, I'm just going to dry the feetsies. Okay, so now we do some cuticle work. And after doing the cuticle work, oh, Kitty made an entrance. But after doing cuticle work, you want to do a little bit of foot filing. So I just use this and go along this line. At this step, I'm going to put on this right now because we did just take off that layer, or maybe even those few layers. You're just going to massage the foot, the leg, get on in there. Give it a nice little massage. Moisturize it. Soak in and just give it a little sort of a mask, I think.